friends, this is Robin at Homeschool Planet again. I'm creating a video to help show you how to print a grade report. The first thing to know about a grade report is exactly what's the difference between a report card and a grade report. And basically, a report card is a traditional format that gives an end of grading period grade. So it will give you a science grade, a math grade, an English grade for the trimester, semester, year, however you've divided up your grading periods. That said, a grade report gives you the ability to look either at summary of your grading reports, or grading categories is what I should actually say, or to look at individual assignments. So I'm going to go to Reports, then I'm going to choose Grade Report. Next, I have the ability to customize and filter as I like. So I can choose one student, two, I can choose all students. I can select my categories and what works for that. I can select a date range. So maybe I only want to see grades in the last month. Let's do that today. Let's say beginning of this month to end of this month. And then I'm in the reporting period of semester 2. I'm going to leave my category. I want all grading categories today. I can choose whether to have graded, ungraded, or graded and ungraded. And finally, my resources. You can learn more about customizing grade reports in our entry on creating a grade report. This is mainly about printing. Once you get to the print stage, you probably want to decide whether you want a new page for each student or not, and whether you would like it by summary or by detail. Detail will show you the grade, the date, grade, and assignment laid out individually, while summary will show you just the homework scores or project or test. Once you select print, your dialog box will come up from your printer software. You'll make any selections you like. Do you want all pages, some? Do you want it in color or black or white? You'll select print, and there you have it, your individualized grade report. I hope that helps. Reach out with any questions. We're always here to help you.